What's going on, everybody? It is Maria Hidos, and welcome to a quick unboxing. Sorry for that noise. I'm actually printing stuff out for my flight training. So I apologize, guys. So in this video, real quick, we are going to make a small unboxing video of a USB power cable by Apple. It's a 30-pin cable that will connect to my iPod Touch. I can't even talk right now. And so I decided to get this because when I do work out, I do use my iPod, and so I was missing this little charger thing. So I've decided to go out to Walmart and get one. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and we're going to unbox this, and yeah, let's get started on this. Okay, we're currently back with the unboxing video. So let's look at the outside. Camera focus, seriously. Camera's not in focus right now, which really sucks. I was hoping it would. But this is a 30-pin USB cable. Okay, so this is like a 30-pin USB cable. Sorry about that printing in the background. So here's what it looks like. It would connect to an iPhone or iPad, and stuff like that. You can connect it to a power brick as well, and I'll show you that in this video. So this is the side of it. It's by Apple, designed in California, and then it just talks about I can do iPad, iPod, iPhone, so I can definitely work with my device. So I'm really excited about that. So let's get this done. Go ahead and put the camera up like that. Hi YouTube. Hoping you guys can see that. It's kind of hard to just pull this out. Like I said, it was like 18 bucks is the price of that. So it's kind of expensive. Gosh, printer, get done already. It's like over 15 pages for school that I need. It's really hard to open this thing. This is how a kid opens a box, guys. Very strange, like. Stupid printer, why don't you ever get them? Finally got it open. And here is. Okay, so here's the cable. I had to pause. I'm sorry about that. It's because my dad was coming. But here is the USB cable. This connects to the iPod. And this connects to either a power brick or your computer. It's your choosing. And that's basically that. So that's all that came in the box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. And I will see all of you in my next video. Ciao.